Yes, family, we're going into our oven right now. We have been in there for about 22 minutes or thereabout. And we have come out of the oven. I'm going to turn my oven off because it's quite evident that my wings are ready. Okay, y'all? Give them a shot, camera girl. Right round and round. We're going to use right here and now that is what our wings looks like. And if they are not a beauty, I don't know what is. Remember I told you while baking the barbecue sauce will get a little browner and it sticks to the wings. So when I told you to grease, got them a little sticking, so we're gonna kind of leave, but not burned, because we don't want anything burning, so that's why we grease. So they're here, and you know we'll get a little sticking because the sugar, all of that is in there. But at this point, we know that this tray is not suitable for the dinner table. So we're going to proceed to move a generous amount and set them on a serving platter that will be suitable for the dinner table. So we've got to lift them because it's barbecue sauce, and this is what they look like under there. Some of them is going to stick a little. So we are going to arrange some of them right here, and they're properly done. You can see it, okay, y'all? So we're going to try to lift. We don't want to, because this here, our enamel tray, is not suitable for the dinner table. Okay, y'all? Or where the serving table or wherever. But they would, because the barbecue sauce is of that nature. So we are proceeding to lift a generous amount out. And we're going to set them in a way, so to speak, let them look presentable for the dinner table. Now, it might not be all, but a good generous amount, because we don't want to put an enamel tray on the serving table. So you set them, and they are so beautiful, and the aroma that is coming from them, it's so nice. It's so good. It's so good, y'all. I can't wait to get some of these in. And you know, you can, these are finger foods, so you just need like some sanitary plate and stuff to do the honors of serving. Okay, y'all? And mind you, if we did not eat the tray, it will be more. But nothing is wrong, because it's the stickiness from the barbecue sauce with the sugar and all of that. Okay? So you would get this mess, but look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. And when you're setting them, you set them in a way that they, you know, right now that you're going to move them to the serving table, you want to set them that they sort of, we're making me. But I have to lick my finger because they're so good. I know it's good. Wow. So you want to set them mostly looking like this. Yep. So you want to have them looking. Yep. And if that is not a beauty, I don't know what is. So that's enough. We don't want to crowd our plate to take to the serving table or to crowd our platter. So we want to clean. And we're going to take this out of the way because we are presenting y'all. So we're going to clean right here. And there you have it. Barbie fried chicken wings. Okay, y'all? Barbie fried chicken wings. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and continue subscribing to the channel. Leave your comments below. And most of all, continue to share the videos. Share, and subscribe. And hello, please. When I think they're going, you must see out, no man. plate. See me sanitary plate them right over here. Very much waiting, you know. Hello. I want this part of the chicken. Give them a shot, camera girl. I like the part without the leg, the little leg, that little leg part on it. This is what I have here, and them still at it. Wow. Oh God. The tanginess, the sweetness, the smokiness, the tenderness. Right, get right in, camera girl. The juiciness, properly done to the core, to the bone. And you can serve this with like rolls, dinner rolls, and you know your drink of choice. You can serve up this with some Kool-Aid, yeah. And I'm gonna do a video for you one of these days on how you do your Kool-Aid, how you do it and get it, you know, real enjoyable. Okay, y'all. So there you have it again, from my kitchen to yours. It's Barbie fried chicken wings, done right from scratch. Hello, please. I am going to get some rolls. I'm gonna mix myself here some Kool-Aid. Okay, y'all, and that's my Sunday dinner. So once more, from my kitchen to yours, enjoy. Debbie from Dongayard, cut me a cut. Remember to hop on over to the Jamaican Debbie Debs. Okay, y'all, the description will be, the link will be in the description, and all that we have used inside of this here, we'll link it all for you. Cut me a cut. Boop.